Hello Sugar Plums! I hope you all have been enjoying the holiday season thus far. I am excited to be sharing how to make this festive Christmas cookie cocoa with you all that tastes luscious. I just love how cute and Christmassy this cocoa looks in my Nutcracker suite, aka my bedroom. Before we get started, I just wanted to show you my precious Nutcracker Ballet themed mug that I bought at Marshall's a couple of years ago. The beautiful detail that went into designing this mug is stunning, so me being a fan of the Nutcracker Ballet, you know I couldn't pass this up. One of the first things you're going to want to do is bake your Christmas cookies. I am using Pillsbury Snowman cookies, and I'm going to be following the baking instructions located on the back of the box. I'm going to be using Pillsbury vanilla frosting with holiday sprinkles to frost the rim of my mug. I picked out a frosting that is already green to give it a more festive look, but if you only have white frosting, you can always add a couple of drops of green or even red food coloring. As you can see, I poured sprinkles onto a plate and turned my mug upside down to add sprinkles to the rim. This trick didn't get as much sprinkles as I would have liked, so I just ended up using my fingers to pour and press the sprinkles onto the frosted rim. Next, I'm going to be making homemade cookie flavored whipped cream. I'm adding 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and 1 teaspoon almond extract. And mixing on medium speed for about 30 seconds before adding 1/4 cup of sugar to the mix and turning the speed up to medium high until the mixture thickens and forms a stiff peak on top of your whisk. It is time to make our Christmas cookie cocoa. Put your stove on a medium-high heat, add 1½ cups of milk of your choice to the pot, and then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of vanilla syrup. Make sure to stir every couple of minutes until a gentle boil. Once the cocoa is done, I'm going to let it cool for a few minutes before adding it to my mug, and then I'm going to top it with my whipped cream, sprinkles, and a Christmas cookie. And there you have it, homemade Christmas cookie cocoa. I hope you get to try this recipe out for yourself. It is truly magical. If you do try it, make sure to let me know in the comments section or over on my Instagram account, which is @trendy_Talia. Thank you all so much for watching. If you would like to see more trendy content from me, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm sending you all lots of love and sparkle this holiday season. Merry Christmas and season's greetings, sweet sugar plum fairies.